In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Bedrock with keyboard and mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a keyboard and mouse to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition. These instructions will also apply for Java, and it will work with most platforms. So first, if you are on PC, this is going to be the primary to play, of course. So as soon as you open the game, the keyboard and mouse will be supported immediately. However, if you are using other platforms, there might be some limitations. What you can try to do is to plug the keyboard and mouse combo in using a USB port or even Bluetooth, launch Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and usually there will be automatic detection. So for consoles like Xbox and PlayStation, follow these instructions and see if everything works. When you get inside of the game, it's important to go into the settings and choose the keyboard and mouse category. If you have never played with a keyboard and mouse before, familiarize yourself with the controls. You will be able to place and destroy blocks and attack using the mouse, so you can use left click to break blocks or attack whatever enemy is in front of you, right click to place the blocks, and you can use the scroll wheel to cycle between your hotbar. You can choose a specific item in your hotbar by pressing 1 through 9, and you can drop your items with Q. Your inventory is going to be managed using E, you can change perspective with F5, and you can jump with space. Sneaking is done with Shift, so usually you will press the left Shift with your pinky, and you can sprint with Control. Besides this, WASD to move, and some additional options that aren't going to affect gameplay much. So again, WASD to move, Control to sprint, Shift to crouch like this so you don't fall off blocks. And as long as you have the keyboard and mouse connected to Minecraft on any platform, when you open the game, it is going to be automatically detected and ready for you to use. If it doesn't work immediately after opening up the game, just make sure to restart it, and after you do, it is going to be set up for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Bedrock with keyboard and mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.